If your check engine light has turned on, you could be dealing with a major mechanical failure or just a wonky fuse. If the light isn't flashing, it's usually safe to keep driving, but it's always a good idea to get the issue checked out sooner rather than later. Let's go over how long you can drive with the check engine light on and some explanations for what it could mean. The check engine light could indicate anything from a loose gas cap to a potentially deadly engine misfire. If you notice that the light has turned on, first check to see if it's flashing. If it is flashing, it's time to get to a mechanic stat. In this scenario, it's best to pull over and call for roadside assistance to prevent further damage to your car and minimize the risk to you and your passengers. That's the worst case scenario. But what if your light is on, just not flashing? In that case, you're probably okay to keep driving with the light on for a while, but make sure you get the car checked out sooner rather than later. You can keep driving with the check engine light on for around 50 to 100 miles. In fact, going this distance may be enough to get the light to reset itself if it was illuminated in error. Because your dashboard warning lights are just messages from your car's computer indicating that it sensed an error with one of your car's systems, it's possible that the light was illuminated in error. But if you've noticed other issues like strange sounds or smells, changes to your car's performance or gas mileage, or anything else out of the ordinary, it's worth taking your car to a mechanic or trying to diagnose the problem yourself using an OBD2 scanner. To review, if your check engine light has turned on but it's not flashing and you don't notice any other apparent issues, you're usually safe to keep driving for another 50 to 100 miles. But if the light is on and you do notice changes to your car's performance or anything out of the ordinary, you should go to a mechanic at your earliest convenience. If the check engine light is flashing, you should pull over and call for roadside assistance right away. For more information about how to stay safe while driving, including how to find the best car insurance coverage at the right price, go to getjerry.com.